Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making a 5-minute quick Malpua dessert that is perfect when guests arrive suddenly. Soft inside, crispy outside and full of traditional flavor. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half cup Suji or Semolina, half cup sugar, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix well. Suji gives the perfect crispy texture. Add 1 and 1/4 cup milk gradually. Cardamom adds classic aroma. Mix until you get a smooth batter. Keep aside for 5 minutes to the Suji absorb the milk. Let the batter rest for better texture. Heat oil on medium flame. Pour a spoonful of batter into medium heated oil. And fry until golden brown and crispy on both sides. This version needs no sugar syrup. Malpua is a traditional festive sweet in South Asia. Batter should be smooth, not too thick. Fry on medium heat for even color. Homemade sweets control sugar quality. No artificial additives. Flip gently to avoid breaking. Freshly fried taste best. Enjoy in moderation for balanced sweetness. Remove and serve warm. Your quick Malpua dessert is ready in just minutes. Perfect for tea time or unexpected guest. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more quick dessert ideas.